Experiencing a key fob not detected error on your 2024 VW Atlas? This issue often stems from the keyless entry system. First, try replacing the key fob battery. Use a CR2032 battery, as a weak one is often the cause, especially in cold weather. If that doesn't work, attempt the door start procedure. Cycle through opening and closing the vehicle doors to reset the passive entry system and resync the fob. If problems persist, the antenna or keyless access module may need a reset, which is best handled by a VW dealer. For ongoing key fob issues, consider software updates. Volkswagen has released over-the-air updates, like software version 2.1, to improve the keyless access module diagnostics. These are deployed via VW's app-based system. If your Atlas was part of the recall, NHTSA campaign number 24V456, schedule a free antenna replacement at a VW dealer due to potential RFID antenna failures. Remember that signal interference and electrification trends may exacerbate the issue. Looking ahead, VW plans to integrate AI diagnostics for predictive resets. For now, prioritize battery checks, software updates, and dealer intervention for antenna or module issues, and avoid aftermarket fobs for best compatibility.